Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a t-shirt design using Canva. The first step is to go to elements. Then we're going to search for these elements. So we're going to need a retro sunset, a sun, a wave, birds, circle frame, circle, and a palm tree. Okay, so the first thing we're going to add is the sunset. Now we're going to make our design. So now that we have completed this design, we're going to save it as a PNG. After saving it as a PNG, we're going to re-upload it to Canva. Now we're going to get rid of this. Then we're going to add the circle and the frame. So we want the circle to be a little bigger than the frame. Now we're going to go back to upload and then we're going to add the design. So what I did was I double clicked the frame so that I got the image to extend it to where I want. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to elements. I'm going to search for the palm tree. I'm going to add it right here. Then I'm going to add the text that I want. You're going to change the color. We're going to go into effects. We're going to add outline. Going to turn up the outline to 200. We want the outline to be black, so I'm going to go back to it, change the color. Here you go. Now we're going to add text at the top. Now we're going to go into effects. We're going to add outline. We're going to add a color black. We're going to turn up the thickness. We're going to scroll in effects. We're going to see where it says curve. To scroll again, we're going to turn it. Till it reaches 49. Okay, so now that we have completed that step, I'm going to add text again. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to go back to effects, outline, turn it up, black. Okay, so now we're going to save this as a PNG, transparent background. Now we're going to get rid of this one. We're going to re-upload it to Canva. Okay, so the next step is to edit photo. And we're going to go in shadows, outline. We're going to choose whatever color we want. And here we have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more.